skane acolo muzicička emisija Hard and Heavy, ovo je kad imame su govornici od skandinavnog stanova sport za klasičan kulten death metal band koji dolazi od Stockholm, od Švedska. Znači pograjbeni se tuga novi tekovski kade na Metal Taste festival. Big show. And tell me, how you started and why you make it the name Unleash?
Are you asking about the name?
Well, Unleash came out as the only thing because it literally means letting loose, right? Or letting out something that you have inside, be it hate, aggression, or whatever. You know, we started out as a live act. That's what we always wanted to do. Be a strong live act. And so, to unleash something on stage, that's why we're here. You know, that's the prime reason we're forming the band at the beginning, because we wanted to be a strong live act. So, unleash fit very good. That's it.
Do you have new material?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, sure. Yeah. It's an ongoing process all the time. We're now working on a good number of songs and, to follow up from all the time.
Do you have the same style to be just like before?
Yeah, I would say the new songs are pretty much following in the all the line, kind of like music.
Who writes lyrics?
Mostly me these days, yeah. Not so fast, but yeah, the concept we have followed since all the time is something that I came up with, so yeah.
Where did you get inspiration?
Well, we all come from the Viking tradition and values because that's where we're from, you know. So, and that's where the inspiration comes from. Both personal experiences, the Viking tradition, and obviously the Norse tradition as well. So that's where we draw a lot of the inspiration from.
I know, because the Swedish they have a big history, the bigger 100 years, the big occupation from the Norway and another Scandinavian. Swedish will be always the winner, the being from the Russia, yeah?
Yeah, well, Sweden was
Before, many years.
Finland, Norway, Denmark, Poland, whatever. Nah, those were, you know, that's way in the past. I'm talking about a lot longer. You know, in the rear, you know, about like 1,000 years back.
There used to be a warrior tradition. That's something you want to
Understand it because you're Viking, you're warriors, just like me. We are Macedonians from Alexander the Great and Philip the Great. The great history. We took the Greece, Egypt, everywhere. Understand it and see your history.
It's important.
Yeah, I like it. People pride for your country and nation, and we're riding for your country because I have a band. I write it for my country, for Macedonia, and lyrics, and I'm part the same. I'm very proud. The same circus. You have the Rebel, the same album.
Oh, you do, yeah. You have that.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe the plan in the future that they live performance and video games and etc.
We said that about 400 times.
The DVD thing is cursed.
Yeah.
It's been on the way as many times. There's always something change the label, contractual problems, this and that, rights here and there, whatever. So it's always like almost now we
were close though last time.
It's almost gonna be done, and then something comes and fucks up. So there's that curse. DVD. I mean, we want to do it, and I'm sure we will at some point. For some reason, that's been the curse. I'm sure it's gonna happen, but I don't know. I mean, there's enough.
There's enough material.
It's all about getting it. Something getting it done. It's a curse. I don't know.
Let's see. We've stopped promising stuff. You know it. Last time we made a promise, and then we really thought it was going to happen. Then there was some contractual bullshit and whatever. So we,
maybe the next time we succeed.
We stopped talking about it, and then
But it's, I guess people have to go see the shows anyways.
Etienne would like to see for Macedonian basketball?
One of these days, man, we'll come down to you guys.
Yeah. Hopefully soon.